Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to transfer chat from old phone to new phone. So how can I transfer? So keep watching this video until the end. Before starting my video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. So guys, first of all, open WhatsApp on your old mobile. Here is so simply tap on three dot, click on setting, click on chat, scroll down, click on transfer chat. So here is start, wait for few seconds. So here is so simply guys, open WhatsApp on your new phone, agree and continue, enter your mobile number. Here is next. So my WhatsApp numbers has been verified. So simply continue, then again continue, allow, and scan this QR code from old mobile. Here is now here is my old mobile and here is my new mobile. Here you can see simply accept. Now wait for your old iPhone is connecting. It take a few seconds. Here's my old mobile and transferring. Here's my new mobile and receiving your chats. So wait for few seconds. It will take a time. It's depending on your chat. So here is guys, my WhatsApp chat has been transferred successfully from my old phone to new phone. You can see appears on screen. Here is my all chat is available on my new phone. No any chat skip on my new phone. So here is simply done here, and your WhatsApp has been logged from my old phone. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.